Hi guys, today we will talk about how can you fix that problem you have on your X app. So all you have to do is you just click here on X settings here. So then it's going to take you here to next step. Then all you have to do now is you just go down here and you click here on apps. So and you come to next step here. Then all you have to do now is you just go down here to looking for X app. So just keep going down here to find your X app. So then when you found it, you just click on X up here, then it's going to take you to next step here. Then all you have to do now is you just click here on for stop and you click here on OK. So and you go down, you click here on storage and you come to storage list. And all you have to do now is you just click here on clear cache. Then all you have to do now is you just turn off your Wi-Fi and turn on it, then it's going to work with you. So that's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.